everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I remove my upper lip hair using wax. If this is something that you want to know, stay tuned. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment. For the longest time, I've used a spring epilator to remove my upper lip hair. I've done a video on it a few years back. I will leave the link to that in the description box below. And I still use that, but I only take it when I'm traveling. If I've traveled for more than 2 weeks, that's when I take that, and if I need that for emergency purpose, and that's when I use it. But on a regular basis, if I have to remove my upper lip hair, I've been using wax for the last 3 years, and this is the wax I use. This is by Moom Glazing, and it is an organic hair remover with avocado, and it is a sensitive formula specifically made for face and eyebrows. I definitely notice the difference between the body wax and also this one. For my underarms, hands and legs, I go outside to get them waxed, and I definitely see the difference. That is a little bit painful, but with this one I don't feel pain. It's very negligible that I don't notice any pain at all, and that's why I can say that this is a very gentle formula. I got this kit from Ulta 3 years back, and ever since this is the only one that I've been using, and this one goes a long way. See, for 3 years I've only used half of the bottle, and I can still use this for another 2 or 3 years. So I don't see this online on Ulta, but I'm going to put the Amazon link for this in the description box below. It comes with a few bamboo sticks. You can use this as applicators. The actual wax itself that you have to put for 20 seconds in microwave oven and heat it up and then use it, and you get a lot of these strips, and these are reusable strips. So once I use them, I just run this under water, hot water, and the wax actually comes off, and I just dry them and reuse them. Other than the kit, you will also need some loose powder. I happen to have banana powder, but you can use talcum powder, baby powder, or anything you have. And once you're done waxing, to soothe your skin, you just need some oil. Any oil will do. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see clearly. So that's my 4 weeks of hair. I have this weird hair on one side. That's just one strand, and it goes abnormally long and thick, as you can see. Make sure you don't have any product on your skin. No skincare, no makeup. So first I'm going to apply some powder on the areas where I want to remove my hair, and I'm going to apply generous amount of it, and this will make the hair look visible and also reduces the pain as well. Then I'm going to take wax with the bamboo stick, and I'm going to check the temperature. Mine is a little hot, so I'm just blowing. Now apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair. Don't apply a thick layer. And immediately put the strip on top and press it down in the direction of hair. Now take the support of the tongue from under and also stretch your skin with both the fingers, and hold the strip as close to your skin as possible and quickly take it out in the opposite direction. And that's it. The entire hair in that area is gone. If at all there's anything left, I'm going to come back to this area once I've finished the rest of it. I'm not going to immediately apply hot wax right then and there. Also, don't forget to remove the hair along the lip line and also close to the nostrils. that's it, I'm done. I don't feel any irritation. There's a little bit of redness, but that will go away in a few minutes. To soothe my skin, I'm going to apply a few drops of oil and leave my skin alone for about 15 minutes. And I'm ready to apply some skincare or makeup on top. With a few simple steps, and once you get the hang of this rhythm, you will easily be able to do this in less than 5 minutes. And I see that the professionals just apply in 2 patches, once on this side, once on this side, and remove. But personally for me it doesn't work, so I just do in patches. I feel better doing that way, and that is how I wax my upper lip hair. And I hope this video is helpful. During this pandemic time, we cannot go out and get waxing done anywhere, so I hope this video was helpful. If it did, please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button, and also do comment below if you have any tips, if you have used anything, or if you are going to get this kit. Do let me know in the comments below, and if you have any video requests, do let me know. And also subscribe to my channel and support me. You can also follow me on my Instagram. It's Deepika Makeup there as well. I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.